We're going to pick up the quiz from CK12. I'm going to take on graph for discrete and continuous data, the difference between these two. This in the statistic world or in general science, this play a major role, right? So let's say I'm gonna say challenge me, and it's gonna give me five questions. Which stem and leaf is the best representation the data given in the bar chart? So when you say stem and leaf, we are talking about let's say you have a data like this 15 you have 20 you have and all that, and so 20 is kind of repeating the most, and then you have a 21 and so on. So then I would say this one. Yeah, let's say we hit it right. So let's go to the next question. So this is also stem and leaf. This is stem, that 1 5 1 5 and 6 and all that. So 15 is 2 times, right? So 15 is 2 times. And then you have 16 is 1 time, 17 is 2 times. And then you have 20, 21. So obviously this will not be the answer. Not this one, this one. So 1 5 15 2 times is there. And let's say this is 16, 1 time is there, 17, 2 times is there, 20 is 1 time. I think this should be the right answer. Let's see. But interesting. Once again, we have done a correct answer. Let's go to the next one. Which histogram best represent the data? Right? So you have the data like this: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and 1 to 5. So the data is going, and then Thursday we have a peak value. So Thursday we have a peak value. I think once again this should be the one. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. This is also right because the peak value has happened in the Thursday. So that's what I choose in this chart. And with broken line graph best represent the data given, right? So this is almost symmetrical, but we have Wednesday on top. Okay. This is same, this is same. Okay, I think this should be the answer. This is good. Last question we are going to take it. And discrete and continuous data both can be represented graphically. Can discrete data be represented through the continuous graph? Can continuous data be represented through this graph? If not, why not? So then I will say discuss the answer with others. So, okay, this we can do. I'll just skip this questions, but this is possible, right? Okay. So this is how it has given. So it is, we have taken quite a lot of examples from the stem and leaf and histogram and all that. I hope you find it useful. Like this, you will find various other examples also as well. And we can also assign to class also as well, right? So you can connect directly to Google Classroom and Canvas and all that. You can directly assign. I hope you find it useful.